Welcome to this guide on configuring the removal of local admin rights in Endpoint Central. To start, navigate to Remove Admin Rights under the Application Control module. Excessive admin privileges increase security risks. Endpoint Central helps you identify, manage, and remove unnecessary local admin accounts, ensuring only essential ones remain. Start by assessing admin accounts under the Admin Rights Summary tab. This provides visibility into all local admin accounts across your network, helping you identify security vulnerabilities. Here, you can manually remove admin rights by selecting the computers and clicking Remove Local Admin to revoke admin privileges for all the admin accounts on those computers. To retain critical accounts, configure the Exclusion Policy, allowing you to safeguard select admin accounts like the built-in administrator or sysadmin accounts. For an automated approach, enable automatic removal, ensuring non-essential admin accounts are removed instantly, reducing attack surfaces. And that's it. You've successfully learned to remove local admin rights with Endpoint Central. Thanks for watching.